Good morning, YouTube. If you have one of these Canon Pixma G6020 inkjet printer that comes with the reservoir for black and reservoir for color inks, and it's supposed to save you money on ink cartridges. When the ink goes low, all you got to do is go and get the ink and pour them into these reservoir, and that's supposed to save you money on ink cartridges in the long run. My printer recently just stopped printing. You know, when you go and try to print a page or even copy or scan a page, it just spit out a blank sheet of paper. There's no ink on it. So if that happened to you, you come to the right video. Today I'm going to show you how to resolve that issue. So if you open up the top of the printer, take a look at this ribbon cable. You have in there some tubes, or some small tubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, that carry the ink from the reservoir and get pumped up into the printer head so that it can print. And when you go and print something and it comes out blank, take a look at this. You're not going to see any ink inside these tubes. What that means is you haven't been using it for a while, and it loses pressure, or it gets clogged, it gets dry out, and the ink don't get to the printer head in order for it to print properly. So if that happened to you, what you will have to do is to perform a maintenance task called ink flush. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's close this top down. Go into the setup menu. Push this right hand button to toggle to different menu. You want to go to maintenance, press OK. First, under maintenance is nozzle check. You want to scroll through that and go over to ink flush option. Okay, and then press OK. It's going to go through and exercise the printer to initiate the flushing process to flush the ink and pump the ink from the reservoir into those tubes that you see. This process would take about 8 to 9 minutes, and after it's done, it would go back to the original setting menu. The next thing that you would do is to go in under the maintenance menu and perform a nozzle check, and that would go ahead and print a test page with all of the color available. So that should resolve it. This typically happens when you don't use your printer for a long time and things get clogged and dries out and it needed a flush. So hope that helped you out. I did that, and it's working properly now. So until next time, YouTube.